If you're here, hopefully you're interested in learning a language or improving your language skills. Now, I'll talk to you about how I can help you with that. But first, a little behind the scenes talk, if you don't mind. Now, when you offer a service, tutoring in this case, or as I've taken to calling it lately, language coaching, because I do think that I approach things a little differently than what people associate with tutoring sometimes. But that's a story for another day. Anyway, when you offer a service, they say that you should be the solution to a problem people in your field want solved. Now, a lot of language learners probably want to become fluent, so if you could deliver on that, after X classes with me, you'll speak X language fluently. You'd have a very desirable and marketable skill. Only problem is, as much as I'd like to, I can't promise to make you fluent. A tutor or language coach is there to assist, usually meeting with the given student once a week for 1 hour at most. An hour a week is not enough time in and of itself to become fluent in a language. It's estimated that it takes anywhere from 600 to 2,000 plus hours of study to become fairly proficient in a language, depending on one's mother language and other factors. So while tutoring can be very helpful in my opinion, I myself have worked with a number of tutors in my language learning journey. A student would need to do additional study on their own to reach fluency in any reasonable amount of time. Now, again, going back to what I said earlier, if you look at all the ads and videos on pitching and marketing, they tell you need to be spiffy and salesy and make bold promises. Speak like a native, language made easy. But I don't like that kind of pitch as a consumer or as a language learner, and I don't want to give that kind of pitch as a tutor. So I struggled to find something that was shiny but true at the same time. Now, through a bit of brainstorming, something occurred to me recently. Still a bit frou-frou woo-woo, but I do believe it. So again, I can't promise to make you fluent. Maybe you're busy and only have time for once a week lessons. Maybe your goal isn't to be fluent in the first place. But what I can offer you is this: to be your best French self with me. I can't promise that you'll speak like Brigitte Bardot or Jodie Foster or even me. But we'll work together to bring out the best you have to give that hour, that day, that month. We'll tweak your pronunciation, have you repeat that sentence one more time with feeling, have you try that phrase again with a different preposition, the correct one. Have you ask that question again in French with a different conjugation or in a different tense. And I'm my own test subject when it comes to this idea of starting at one point and moving to another. Living proof, if you will. So I started studying French from zero in high school and slowly saw my speaking, listening, and pronunciation skills improve over time, bringing me to wherever I am today. Now, each individual student's journey will be different, but whatever your current level, your schedule, your age, your circumstances, if you want to work with someone who's going to push you, encourage you to nudge closer to everything that you probably love about the language, the sounds, the structure, the nuances, then we might be a good fit. Now, if you have any questions or if you'd like to work with me, you can contact me at mgbp7@yahoo.com. In the meantime, let's strive to be our best selves and keep going.